Hi, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today I am talking about Republic Day of India. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I am going to share a few words about Republic Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th of January and on this day every year we are celebrate Republic Day. This year we are celebrating 73rd Republic Day. India became a republic country on 26th of January in 1950. Today is very special for every Indian. On this day in 1950 the Constitution of our country was formally adopted. The Constitution was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. On this day our Indian flag is hoisted and national anthem Jana Gana Mana is sung.